In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block countries on Shopify. If you've been looking to control which countries can access your online store, you're in the right place. Adjusting access based on location can protect against fraud, comply with legal requirements, or even manage your shipping logistics more effectively. So, let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step. The first thing you need to do is log into your Shopify account. Now, assuming you're on your Shopify dashboard, look over to the left side of the screen, and you'll see a menu. Click on the Apps tab. Apps in Shopify are powerful tools that allow you to extend the functionality of your store. We're using them here to filter and block traffic by geography. Once you're in the Apps section, you want to explore the Shopify App Store to find an app that offers geo-restriction services. There are several available, so take a bit of time to find one that fits your specific needs and price point. Some apps are free and others may require a subscription, but most importantly, check the reviews and see what's right for your store. After selecting an app, go ahead and install it. The installation process is fairly straightforward, usually requiring you to approve the app's permissions. These permissions are necessary for the app to access specific settings within your store, and it's essential for the geo-restriction functionality to work correctly. Be sure you trust the app provider before proceeding. When your app is installed, you need to configure it to block specific countries. Open the app, and you'll typically find a section dedicated to managing geo-restrictions. This section is where you define which countries you want to block from accessing your store. You might have a list of countries you want to prevent due to shipping limitations or compliance with local regulations. To configure this, you can usually input the country names or use their ISO codes. Ensure that you're entering the correct information to avoid mistakenly blocking countries you actually want to serve. Many apps will provide a list of countries, making this step straightforward and error-free. If in doubt, refer to the Help or Support section of the app for clarity. Once you've set your countries to be blocked, save your settings. Great job! At this point, your specified countries should no longer have access to your Shopify store. As a best practice, it's always a good idea to test your settings. You can do this using a VPN to mimic being in the countries you've blocked, ensuring everything works as intended. Remember, blocking countries is a powerful feature that should be used thoughtfully. It's important to continually review these settings so they align with your business goals and needs. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.